Be honest with me. You've got a folder full of content ideas, but somehow you don't have anything filmed. So many ideas, nothing filmed. Where are we getting stuck? You, my friend, are a planner. If you're the planner type, the chances are you really, really love the brainstorming part, the outlining part, the coming up with ideas, the color coding, the charts, the databases, all of those fun things. Well, yes, it's time for you to record because you have all these good ideas, all of these things that you need to be doing, but you're not hitting record because for some reason you're working on the title again. And I know when I get into planner mode, I tend to start feeling bad about myself, thinking that I'm just lazy. But we're not lazy. We're just stuck in ideation mode and we need to make things a little bit smoother. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about and you're like, I don't know what type of creator I am, Mary Lou, what do I need to do? You need to go take the Ecamm creator quiz and find out if you are a planner, presenter, or producer. Okay, planner, here's how you're going to get off of the notes and into creating. You're going to set yourself a timer for 15 minutes. And this is not 15 minutes for filming. This is 15 minutes for your idea. Whatever idea you've already been cooking, you're going to have 15 minutes left in order to lock it. Now, when this timer goes off, you stop your planning and you have to film. Non-negotiable. This is what the plan is, and now it's time to execute. And that's fine because no matter where you're at, you can film your outline. You do not need to have a perfect script. And honestly, it's kind of better if you don't have a perfect script. I don't want you to have to memorize anything. I just want you to show up as you because you've planned all this stuff. You know what you're doing. It's time to let it fly. And you know what? I know you're feeling some resistance. What we're going to do first is a draft. We're just going to do a draft take. We're just going to try it on for size. I want you to think of it like a rehearsal, but the camera is on. You actually press record. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to do it. We're just shaking off the yayas. But I feel like you're going to find out that more often than not, that draft is actually pretty good. And here's how you make that even easier for you. Ecamm actually lets you build your outline directly into the recording by using scenes. You can create a scene for every bullet point that you have in your beautifully organized outline. You can give yourself visual cues. You can add text of your talking points, and you never have to lose momentum because the plan is all there. You did a great job. You already mapped it out. It's just time to take that trip. Because my friend, you don't need another plan. You don't need another plan. You need to trust the one you already made because you planned so much. I know you're good at making plans. So let's just go. Let's just do this. The ideas are ready. You're ready. Hit record. Let's make this. Now go do it. You know what you're doing. You got this.